In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Bank of America user ID. So if you already are logged into Bank of America, then all you want to do is you want to go to the top left, select on menu right over here, go ahead and select on profile and then select on settings. Then from here, go ahead and press on user ID. And from there, it will actually give you your current user ID. It will give you the first 4 characters of your user ID. And from there, you can go ahead and change it if you need it. However, if you're signed out and you have no idea what your user ID is, do not worry guys, because you can go ahead and retrieve it by pressing on forgot ID/password in the bottom just like so. Then from here, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and enter in your card number or account number. And you also need to go ahead and put in your social security number or your tax ID in order to actually retrieve your account. And from there, it will actually go ahead and recover your account for you. You're able to go ahead and get your user ID and change it. But guys, if you're still running into issues when you're trying to get your user ID, then make sure to go ahead and contact the Bank of America customer service number. So go ahead and explain to them your situation, explain to them that you need to see your user ID. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.